4 plus 4 is just 8. And 3 times 8 gives us 24. So 24 divided by 24 gives us just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. In mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Inside this parentheses, we have 4 plus 4, which equals 8. So 24 divided by 3, then times 8. Multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division. 24 divided by 3 gives us 8. And 8 times 8 equals 64. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 64.